Google quantum computer does in seconds what others would take almost half a century. Article that Google quantum computer results have been found. New model has developed far beyond its parameters, more. The field of quantum computing has been the subject of constant research and development, promising a revolution in the power of and the ability to solve environmental problems. In an impressive recent conquest, Google a significant advance in this area, revealing that its quantum computer was able to perform operations that would take decades to be completed by the most modern traditional computers. Using Google's quantum computer. An article of Google's services was published and found that the company a quantum computer capable of creating instant activities, such as services, in which older models would take about 47 years to work. The article technology is in addition to the advantages of modern classic supercomputers. This computer is based on the technology of qubits, which are the building blocks of quantum computing. Unlike the classic bits, which can produce only 0 or 1, the qubits can appear in multiple, physical states thanks to a principle of quantum mechanics called overlap. This allows quantum computer to process information in a parallel way and perform tasks much faster than traditional computers. Technology advocates point out the points in which the computer can be crucial to combat illegal, and the opponents claim that Google has exaggerated in the difference between machines and supercomputers. We really need to get to utilitarian quantum computing, an era in which quantum computers with many thousands of qubits really begin to add value to society in a way that classic computers will never be used. In 2019, the developer company produced a model that 53 qubits, while the next generation device has 70. This tool makes the machine even more powerful, that is, it is 241 million times more powerful than the 4-year model ago. With information on the Multiverse website news. What is quantum computing? Quantum computation is the science that studies the specific applications and properties of quantum mechanics in computer science. Its main goal is the development of the quantum computer. The laws of physics for smaller objects than the atom are quite different from the goal. We can see the gain or lose energy quantitatively in small energy packages. A single package is called quantum, and a set of packages are depending on how much. How much is the plural of quantum? In the channel of TensorFlow in YouTube, Google launched a series of talking about quantum computing. The first video in the series focuses on what it is, how it works, and the future of computing and quantum computers. How quantum computing works. To understand how quantum computers work first, we have to understand how existing computers work. To not make this article too technical, we will contextualize the process of functioning of our computers with an analogy to a maze. Imagine you're stuck in a maze. Its basic goal is to find the solution as soon as possible, but there are many options. You have to try one for one. This means that you have several paths without difficulty. You will pass through several paths and enter many wrong places until you find the right path and finally get out of the maze. This is how the current computers solve the problems. Even though they can only solve one situation at a time. The same way we can only walk one way at a time in the maze. A labyrinth as much as it is a limit of paths. A conventional computer can very well find the solution very fast, yes, but imagine a maze with some billions of possible paths. If you had all the paths of the maze at once, would it be a quicker thing to say? That's how the quantum computer works. Unlike a current computer that performs tasks sequentially, or quantum computer performs several possible tasks. The quantum revolution. Rumors indicate that up to 2030 quantum computers will be marketed normally around the world. The power these computers have is beyond our reality. Some experts believe that quantum processors will be able to understand our situation, and it seems that they are not exaggerating. The maintenance capacity will be millions of times more complex than the current computers. Just for you to have an idea, a quantum processor is 100 million times faster than the current processor. A similar task assigned to a quantum computer that takes 1 second to complete would take approximately 10,000 years if it were by a current computer. Yes, des mille années. With information on the website https://cultureanalitica.com.br/computer https://cultureanalitica.com.br/computercow